Dear student, today I am going to start new chapter, chapter 2, nutrition in living organisms, animals and man. You have already learned in chapter 1 that plants can make their own food and are called autotrophs. And animals cannot there make own food are called heterotrophs. Animals eat complex food materials but break it down into simpler forms in their bodies. Their body gets the required nutrition through the three main steps just shown below. You can see food requirement or food habit, mode of intake of food, utilization in the body. Next, modes of intake of food. The method of taking in food is different in different organisms. The relevant parts of their body get modified in a manner that makes it easy for them to eat their food. A sparrow has a short beak to pick up seeds and worms. The long tubular beak of the hummingbird helps it to suck nectar from the flowers. The cow has sharp incisors and flat molar teeth that help it to cut and grind plant materials. The jaws of many snakes enable them to swallow animals that may be much larger than the size of their head. Next, food habits of animals. On the basis of their food habits, animals have been categorized into three different categories. The animals like cow and deer that eat only plant materials are called herbivores. The animals like lion and tiger that eat only other animals are called carnivores. Animals like bear and human beings that eat both animals and plant materials are called omnivores. So you have studied in previous classes also. Next, modes of nutrition. It is their food that provides animal their required nutrition. As we have mentioned in the previous chapter, the nutrition requirements of heterotrophs, that is heterotrophic nutrition, are met by them in different ways. These three modes of nutrition are saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Just go one by one. First, saprotrophic nutrition. We have already learnt in previous chapter that the mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains its required nutrients from dead and decaying plant and animal matter is known as saprotrophic nutrition. Such an organism secretes enzymes outside, digest the organic food and absorb the soluble organic compounds. Most fungi and some bacteria are saprotrophs. Next, parasitic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism known as a parasite obtains food from some other living organism known as the host of a different group is known as parasitic nutrition. Parasites may live on or in the body of another living organism. In this mode of nutrition, the parasite is benefited while the host gets harmed. Just like rondor, head loss, body loss and tapeworm are parasites. Next, holozoic nutrition. This is a mode of nutrition in which organisms like amoeba and human beings eat food that may be in solid or liquid state. This food is taken into body or eaten, and then it is broken down or digested to provide the required nutrition to the body. Having understood the three different modes of nutrition used by heterotrophs,